Hi everyone, this is Kerry from The Roads We Roam, and I would like to invite you to join me with my Camper Cooking with Kerry edition on how I make mashed potatoes using my Instantpot. So come along.
Along these roads we roam, we find adventure through traveling, camping, boondocking, and exploring.
Okay, to start, you need to grab potatoes. I'm doing 7 pounds for this recipe. You are going to need butter, milk, sour cream, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and some water. So let's get started. First, the fun part. Peel your potatoes. Get your little helpers, if you have them, and start peeling away. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you watch me peel all 7 pounds of potatoes. Through movie magic, we will now go on to slicing the potatoes. We're just going to cut them in slices. This size will do. They don't have to be perfect, just roughly uniform to help them cook a little bit more evenly. So slice all your potatoes and then add them into your Instantpot. Alright, so now that you've peeled and sliced all your potatoes, place them in your Instantpot, and then you're going to add water. I have 7 pounds potatoes in here. I'm going to do about 6 to 7 cups of water. Just see how they're sitting in there, and you can just see the water just start to hit the edge of the potatoes. I'm going to then put the top on. Now, depending on which version of the Instantpot you have, you'll have different settings. What you want is either putting it on high or manual for 8 minutes. So I had it set for 8 before. So all I had to do is reset it there, and then you just get it ready to start. Now bear in mind, it's not just 8 minutes. If you're a first time Instantpot user, it's going to take time for it to build up the pressure, and then it goes off. So let's wait for these to cook, and then I'll be back with the rest of the instructions. Now that it's done cooking, vent it to steam. And as soon as it's done venting, you want to strain the water out of the potatoes. Okay, your potatoes are cooked and they have been strained, and now it's time to mash them and add the additional ingredients. Let's start off by adding 1/4 to 1/2 cup of milk. We're going to start off with 1/4 and add more if needed. Add 1/4 cup of sour cream as well. And 1/4 cup of butter. A teaspoon of garlic powder. A teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. Just stir. These are so soft and tender, you really don't need any heavy mashing, but if you have a potato masher, have at it, but it's very simple. And just mix until it's well blended. Now, depending on how creamy you want your potatoes, you can add additional milk and sour cream. you can always have butter because you can never have too much butter. You know, when I first got out on my own and got married and I had to start cooking for myself and not have mom and dad do it anymore, I could not master this. They were horrible. I had to always have an emergency box of the instant mashed potatoes hidden in the cabinet. But now that I've come across this and see how easy it is, it's no fail. I will never go back to that. I can toss my emergency box of potato flakes away, and I've got a good old standby. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, or you can get a hold of me on our blog at theroadsweroam.com. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.